Cold J production. Oh my god, I gotta get up and get this chicken, man. The alarm going off. Yo, Fetty, let him know.
Yeah.
Cold J. Let him know, Fetty. You know what I'm saying? Niggas getting Wiz Khalifa high. The type of high that fly by. You just chilling in the sky, you know what I'm saying? Cold J, let it rain.
Wiz Khalifa high, yeah, getting super faded while levitating.
Levitated.
Ross again fly, yeah, getting hella bitches while dissing bitches.
Dissing bitches.
Natty in my drink, yeah, getting hella saucy as I'm looking bossy.
Looking bossy.
Bitches hit me up, yeah, tryna be my wifey. I don't need no wifey.
No wifey.
Located in a 315. Owens Little City where we always stay high. Had to bring it up to get my little city vibe. Blunts in my system, yeah, I'm already fucking high. Rolling up this fucking Buddha pack, nickname Quad Pack as the cops roll by. Sipping on this natty juice like it's gin and juice. Hope you stay a little while and see what that natty do. Let me get my smoke by, let me get my gang by. Always leaving that 9, let me stick my 4-5 in. Cause you already fucking know how to snake hide at night. In between the fucking bushes where they all lie. Enemies twitch and twerk when they all die. Lindsay Lohan working in her van, she's alright. Hannah Montana working in his van, he's alright. Oh, I said he's alright. Hannah Montana working in his van, he's alright. Lindsay Lohan when her van's in the barn. Wiz Khalifa high, yeah, getting super faded while levitating. Ross again fly, yeah, getting hella bitches while dissing bitches. Natty in my drink, yeah, getting hella saucy as I'm looking bossy. Bitches hit me up, yeah, tryna be my wifey. I don't need no wifey.
No wifey? Hey, listen, I appreciate the offer, but I don't need a wifey right now. I can't have.
I ain't playing nigga, I ain't stupid nigga, nor a faithful nigga. Use a foolish nigga, type jewelers nigga, type toolish nigga. Never let the pussy rule you nigga. Boy, you better start pressing. This nigga didn't even learn his lesson. What a message, what a fucking message. At the store called MKT, you might meet this white boy named Mikey. Don't let the word white fool ya. Never knew if you hit you with the mop stick or the toothpick. Either way you get laid quick. Driving in the Maybach, going way back. Smoking on his Dutchie. I call it the fucking munchies. I eat it real quick, bring it to lunch and steal quick like a Nesquik. Keep it running quick. Cold J, about to bounce on it.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think.
My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. We're stressed out. Sometimes a certain smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I'd probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take the ladder.
My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out.
Used to play pretend, bunny. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, bunny. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying, wake up, you need to make money. Yeah.
You already know what it is. Silento, go and do it for me. Now watch me whip, kill it. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip.